Welcome. This is Jeremy Schugel, Business Software Solutions Lead at VSS. In this session, we will focus on Ansible automation in a continuous integration, continuous deployment environment, security and compliance, and an overview of Red Hat Insights. Release early, release often. We have learned that longer releases, or waterfall, have much greater overhead than more frequent released or shorter cycles such as agile or iterative. Downtime and outage windows result in either lost revenue or customer unhappiness. For a major release application with users in different time zones all around the world, going down for an outage is only to be reserved for the most dire and complicated of upgrade processes. Certainly not updating application versions. Tools like Jenkins can utilize Ansible Tower to deploy the build artifact into multiple environments. But a QA stage environment modeled after production ups the ante and substantially improves predictability along the lifecycle. Data provided back by Ansible can then be referenced and directly correlated to an Ansible Tower job in the build systems job. The absolute requirement in a CD system is the ability to orchestrate rolling updates among various architecture tiers in an application. Ansible's unique multi-tier, multi-step orchestration capabilities, combined with its push-based architecture, allow for extremely rapid execution of these types of complex workflows. As soon as one tier is updated, the next can begin, easily sharing data between tiers. Using Ansible Tower with multiple inventory sources allows for testing an Ansible playbook with a stage environment and requiring successful execution of an update prior to rollout into production. Ansible contains numerous modules for deploying straight from version control. A playbook can request that a repository be checked out at a specific tag or version, and then the system will make sure this is true across the various servers. Ansible can report change events to trigger additional follow-up actions when the version of software needs to change, so that associated services are not restarted unnecessarily. One of the key features that makes Ansible interesting for software deployment is the use of a state-based resource model, made popular in configuration management tooling within the process of updating software. While traditionally some open source tooling has to be supplemented with additional deployment software and scripts, this is not the case for Ansible. One of the dangers of setting up an automated CD system is the chance for a bad configuration to be propagated to all your systems. To help protect against this, Ansible allows for adding tests directly in playbooks that can abort a rolling update if something goes wrong. Arbitrary tests deployed with a command or script module, or even written as a native Ansible module, can be deployed to check for various conditions. This may include the functioning state of the service. It is quite possible to be compliant without being secure. Security is never truly finished and should be continuously maintained and improved. Compliance is done when a third party is satisfied. In today's complex IT environments, security is paramount. Security of your systems, security of your data, security of your customers' data. Not only must you be able to define what it means for your systems to be secure, you need to be able to simply apply and constantly monitor your systems to ensure that they remain compliant with that security. Using automation as a part of your IT practices is a necessary first step for security. The proper automation tool will apply the security you need in a simple, consistent manner, allowing you to concentrate on other projects. Once you've defined your security configuration, you need to be able to verify it and verify it on a consistent basis. Ansible's idempotent nature means you can repeatedly apply the same configuration and it will only make the necessary changes to put the system back into compliance. By investigating these runs, you can easily see where changes are needed. If you want to verify your automation outside of your automation, Ansible's task-based nature makes it easy to write content using tools like OpenSCAT and Stigma to verify your automation. Tower's fact gathering can directly integrate with common logging and analytic providers to build a wealth of data on your infrastructure, allowing you to simply see any deviation in your systems. Red Hat Insights is a predictive IT risk analysis tool that helps enable users to proactively identify, prioritize, and resolve vulnerabilities in their environment before business operations can be affected. It does this by evaluating select files in a system, getting smarter and better at predicting outcomes with each piece of information it takes in. Insights conducts an in-depth analysis of a customer's IT infrastructure and compares this information against Red Hat's constantly expanding knowledge base to identify key risks and vulnerabilities. If a susceptibility is found, Insight has the ability to generate a playbook for most critical problems to be detected, which can then be used in Ansible Tower to resolve any issues. Red Hat Insight's ongoing and in-depth analysis of an organization's Red Hat infrastructure proactively identifies key threats, securing performance and stability. By combining granular risk assessments and tailored remediation steps along with automation resolution, Red Hat Insights transitions IT from reacting to issues to proactive, intelligent infrastructure management. Red Hat Insights provides expertise from Red Hat's extensive technical knowledge base with the ability to resolve problems quickly with more than 100,000 verified solutions to threats and configuration issues. Avoid downtime by proactively resolving issues. Spend time wisely by prioritizing issues based on overall risk scores that include probability and potential impact. Automated remediation with Ansible playbooks can quickly and cost-effectively resolve critical security risks. Automated remediation translates predictive intelligence into action. Delivered as a SaaS offering, Red Hat Insights takes advantage of Red Hat's industry expertise as a leader in open source software to generate tailored remediation in real time. Red Hat Insights uses intelligent data to pinpoint technical risks and help IT resolve problems before business is affected. This modern integrated platform supports operational analytics and automated resolution across physical, virtual, container, private, and public cloud environments. The latest edition of the cloud-based Insight service includes automated remediation, which reduces the mean time to resolution for critical security risks. Featuring Ansible playbook creation, the Red Hat Insight console now can translate predictive intelligence into actions, enabling users to automatically remediate Insight's findings, helping to more quickly and cost-effectively close infrastructure risks. Integration of Ansible Tower by Red Hat enables dynamically generated Ansible playbooks to be more rapidly deployed in a highly scalable, more secure manner. This helps provide faster remediation and allows for the extension of insights into automation and self-service use cases. An Ansible-based configuration management playbook is designed to streamline large and small deployment of the Red Hat Insights client to reduce installation time and effort, and helps to provide insights, scalability as infrastructure needs grow. Expanded reporting displays historical trends in addition to a snapshot of the current infrastructure health, so that enterprises can more easily see their current risk assessment and what trends will most likely impact their IT estate. With Red Hat Insights, organizations can deploy and scale quickly with no additional infrastructure requirements. Teams can immediately initiate tailored remediation steps, allowing them to decrease security threats and avoid downtime. Red Hat Insights provides real-time visibility of hybrid environments and enables ops teams to identify with proactive detection and automated remediation how enterprises can better manage security and stability threats to their Red Hat infrastructure, helping to avoid downtime and giving IT back time to focus on tasks that align more with their business. Pending outages, fixing things faster, see potential problems and issues in real time without the need to wait for reactive error reports and logs, then fix with ease. Feel free to reach out to me, Jeremy Schupel here at VSS, for more information on automating security and compliance or to schedule a demonstration.